Hey guys, we're back again with the dough slime. Today we're going to be trying to make a dough slime, showing you the recipe out of a regular slime. This is just a regular slime. It is very stiff, so we're going to fix that up with some lotion and toothpaste first, because toothpaste is actually a really strong softener, believe it or not. But Tom's of Maine toothpaste works the best. We don't know if Crest Complete will. Can you get the cap for me, because I'm filming? Oh, never mind, I got it. Okay, so you can squeeze that in there and I'll go get the lotion.
Got it. Lotion's right here.
Oh. Only want a little bit because that stuff is really strong. But if it doesn't deactivate, then
Add a little more if that's not.
Yeah, and sorry for the shaky camera. This is a handheld camera. We don't have a tripod, so.
Minty. Definitely minty.
It'll smell like that for a minute.
It smells good.
Oh yeah, this is definitely softening it up a bit. You might want to add a bit more, but I'll get this vanilla icing.
So soft. Well, not quite soft yet, but it smells so good.
I'm gonna set you guys down for a sec while I do this vanilla icing.
It is foaming.
Sorry, I had to unscrew the vanilla icing. This is vanilla icing by Smile Sparkle Shine. And we're gonna add a bit of that in there.
Oh, that's a little much.
Yeah,
we'll just dip it in there if we need more.
that wasn't supposed to happen. So don't be like us. Don't do that.
Don't be clumsy like us.
Yeah, don't be clumsy. Okay, so we have the slime and it's deactivating quite nicely.
Yeah, definitely.
It looks like goop for now, but once you knead everything in, it'll all come together.
Sure.
But you should, don't worry, Angie, this happens to me, okay? This happens to me.
I am unsure.
See? It's deactivating. It looks sticky right now, but see?
Oh.
See? Told ya.
Great.
All right, so
It's still quite stiff, but still.
So if it's still quite stiff, we should add more.
Well then,
oh, yeah.
Let me just roll it around.
You need to bit it and make it a bit sticky. So, you guys, you want regular slime with lotion and toothpaste in it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add in your add-ons, which we've already done because this was a pre-made slime. We actually made it before we ever invented dough slime. Well, actually, one of her friends made it. Our friends.
She gave it to me for my birthday, so.
Yeah, so this was a slime that we had made, that her friend had made before we ever even thought of dough slime. Actually, I thought about it 2 days ago at my house, and I was just like,
yeah.
Oh. Fun fact, dough slime was actually inspired by Jillian Bauer, because the original dough slime recipe contained conditioner, and one of Jillian Bauer's no-glue slime recipes is conditioner and cornstarch, and it makes dough. So this was actually inspired by a Jillian Bauer recipe. So
that's deactivating pretty nicely.
Yeah. So let me. Yeah, it needs a bit more lotion though. Just get the rest on the table. Get the rest on the table and then
try to work quickly.
We should be good. It's okay. You don't have to work super quick. This is a tutorial, so. Is this activator?
Yeah, it's the activator.
Okay, so we might need some of this later in the video in case it's still sticky after adding the cornstarch. The cornstarch activates it like a tiny bit.
Okay, is this kind of sticky?
It's a little.
Probably a little more.
A little more, yeah. You can get that. I'm just the filmer and I can also poke this. Add some more in, yeah, that should be good. This is a quite small slime, but it was the only one that we could find that was pre-made because she didn't have any glue and I'm at her house. So.
We could have made this stuff from scratch if we had glue, but we didn't, so we just got a pre-made slime.
Yeah, we just got a pre-made slime. And so what you're going to want to is we're going to add in Argo cornstarch. Any brand really works. Ignore this cooking stuff in the background.
We had a barbecue earlier, so.
Yeah, so.
It doesn't really matter how much you put in, as long as it's not too much or too little.
Yeah, you need a lot of cornstarch, but
it's literally that much.
Yeah, for this tiny slime, that's probably enough. I don't like the feel of cornstarch really, so you're going to be adding.
I love the feeling, so
you add
lucky
that
enough
in.
for me.
You add that in. Guess it's my loss. Right, so you just want to keep kneading that. While she's kneading that, I'm just gonna show
Talk.
off some stuff. This is my chai latte. Oh, I definitely needed that. Okay, so she's over here kneading. Does it feel like bread dough yet?
Almost. I think I just need to get a little bit more of this stuff in
Yeah,
there.
that is a tiny slime, so.
It's coming together pretty well.
And again, guys, this is me filming Sunnyside Studio, and our Shangri-La, or Angela, Angie, is the one doing everything else, really. Hi, it's me, Sunnyside Studio. But I can't upload on my channel anymore, guys. I don't know what happened. Like, one day I just couldn't log in and stuff. So, in a few months here, I might be creating a new channel. So, and I might do one with Angie. So, stay tuned for that. So this is a. Let me feel this.
Feeling good?
Needs quite a bit more cornstarch.
Okay, I'll put it in this little tiny well of cornstarch.
Yeah, it's got a lot of cornstarch in my hands. I need to go wash them.
After this, it's going to need a little bit of lotion.
Yeah, probably. I can unscrew that cap if you.
Okay. Starting to feel a little bit like bread dough, just a little more. Probably just gonna need the rest of this inside the dough.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna sit you down for a second so that I can add a little bit of the lotion into the slime because I need to unscrew the lotion lid. Alright, so